Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making black pepper beef. For our ingredients, we need steak. I use sirloin. We need ground pepper, salt, sesame oil, onions, bell pepper, cornstarch, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, Chinese rice wine, or you can replace it with a dry sherry. You need beef stock, garlic, and ginger. You want to add your corn flour, your dark soy sauce, your oyster sauce, and your Chinese rice wine, and your beef stock, and black pepper. You want to stir those together in a bowl, and then you want to put them to the side. You want to heat up your oil and your sesame oil in a large frying pan or wok over high heat. Then add the steak. Fry the steak anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. Moving it around, don't let it stick together. You want to toss the steak slices with 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt. You want to cook until it is brown. Spoon your steak out into a bowl. Leave any oil behind in your pan. Turn down your pan, and then you want to add your onions and your peppers. You want to cook your vegetables anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. Once you have finished cooking your vegetables, you want to add in your garlic and your ginger. You want to cook those from anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. Then you want to add in your sauce. Once your sauce is added, you want to cook until it is thick. If it is too thick, you can add some water. You want to add back your steak to your vegetables and your sauce. You want to make sure that everything is coated with the sauce and cook for another 2 minutes. Your black pepper steak is done. You could put it over boiled rice or anything that you prefer. Thank you for choosing Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.